Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amarta Rupani and in today's video I am going to talk about some of the sectors that are desperately looking for people to hire them during this COVID pandemic. As we all know that in many countries, the non-essential businesses have been forced to close, such as restaurants, theaters, gyms, and many more. And that is why the economy has been affected because of these changes, and all the essential businesses are still opened, such as hospitals, grocery stores, or some medication stores. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss what companies are hiring at the moment and what jobs are available for you to apply. So without wasting any time, let's just start. Okay, number one sector, healthcare. As we all know that because of COVID-19, the hospitals and healthcare facilities are being pushed to their limits. For the healthcare system of Canada, I would like to mention one thing in here, that we live in Montreal, and as you guys know that this is the city of Quebec province. It's been 4 years to us registering on waiting list to find a family doctor in Montreal, because the average time to find a family doctor in here is around 300 to 400 or 500 days, but in our case it took almost 1460 days. So guys, what I'm trying to say is that in normal conditions the healthcare system of Canada is already under strain, and during this pandemic the healthcare workers such as nurses, physicians, healthcare administrators, and they all are absolutely critical because there is addition of COVID-19 patients over the past few months, and some of them do require healthcare for the long term. So guys, these circumstances has increased the demand for all healthcare workers. And the job postings related to healthcare sector, you can simply find it on different websites, and one of them is jobbank.gc.ca, and guys, it is an official website of Canada for the job search, and the link is given in the description box below. So in the search box, when you will type healthcare, it will give you a complete list of all the available job postings related to healthcare, and these are all in different regions of Canada, such as Quebec, Ontario, Saskatchewan. And you can also look for jobs by title or by region. So for example, if you're looking for a nurse job position, then all you have to do is just type nurse in the search box and click search button, and it will give you the complete list of all the available job positions. And as you can see, there are more than 2600 nurses are required in different healthcare centers, and these positions are just posted a couple of days ago because it says new. So anyways guys, there are also other websites where you can look for jobs, such as indeed.ca, and guys, this is my favorite website because personally I prefer this one. So all you have to do is just enter your job title and city or province where you are looking for the job. For example, Toronto, and then click find jobs, and then this is how you will see all the available jobs related to nurse position. So anyways, this is how you can find jobs at different websites. And other website is monster.ca, and the link of all the websites are given in the description box below. Guys, you can go and check it out. Number two sector is manufacturing. Employers are looking for workers in essential manufacturing sectors that are continuing to provide services to Canadians. Due to this healthcare crisis, we all heard about the panic buying, and that caused shortages in many products, such as toilet papers, hand sanitizers, face masks, hand soaps, and many other products were flying off the shelves. So guys, in the result, most of the companies have started retooling their facilities. In fact, some of my friends who work in a cosmetic company, and they were telling me that instead of cosmetics, they have started making hand sanitizers, hand soaps. Why? Because of high demand. So increase in demand in these products has increased the job opportunities in manufacturing sectors. So one more time, let me just walk you through the same website, that is jobbank.gc.ca. When you will type manufacturing, it will give you a complete list of all the jobs related to manufacturing, such as manufacturing engineer, manufacturing manager, quality engineer. So these are all the jobs which are right now available, and as I said, employers are eagerly looking for people like you. So guys, just go ahead and customize your resume and apply for these jobs as soon as possible. Number 3, banking and financing. As we all know that due to COVID-19, thousands of people have been laid off because most of the non-essential businesses have been closed down. And the result, the government has put some measures to solve the financial impacts of COVID-19. So in the result, many Canadians want advice from financial experts to secure their financial future and savings. And this is the reason many banks and other financial sectors are looking for financial advisors, customer service representatives, and there are many other job positions are being advertised. Number 4, IT. Okay, due to this COVID-19, most of us have started working from home. In fact, in my family, some of us work from home. And guys, we have been spending a lot of our time on the internet for both work and entertainment. So in this situation, the telecommunication companies are under pressure to maintain their services. In order to maintain their services during this lockdown situation, IT professionals have also been in high demand. Now let's just have a look at IT jobs at the same website, which is jobbank.gc.ca. Just to get an idea that how many jobs are available related to this field. You can also look for a specific title related to IT field. I entered IT because I just wanted to give you the demonstration. Number 5, construction and engineering. Guys, in Canada, construction and engineering field has always been in high demand. So during COVID-19, some of the construction projects are still considered as an essential in some of the provinces of Canada, such as bridges, airports, residential houses, healthcare facilities, and many more. So as a result, a variety of construction, engineering, and architecture jobs remain in demand in some of the areas. Number 6, essential retailers. Due to panic buying and huge lineups at grocery stores, increase the need of essential retailers such as cashiers, store clerks, shelf stockers, cleaners, and many other job roles. And number 7, agriculture. The agriculture industry is an important contributor to Canada's economic growth. And guys, workers across the food supply chain are making efforts to provide fresh, healthy foods to all Canadians. And soon time, Canada Immigration is going to launch a 3-year agri-food pilot program to fill labor shortages. So guys, they will be posting a lot of jobs related to agriculture. And my next video will be about that new program. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it for today, and I hope you find this video helpful, and just try to customize your resume according to your job description and try to apply for these jobs because there are so many jobs as I showed you. So yeah, good luck for that, and that was pretty much it for today. And if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.